Good morning. Hey, I'm back in the woods. I'm gonna try to get a few logs out of here. I got a couple of big ones right here in this part, and pretty good size red oak. I trimmed it up actually last winter. I still don't know if I can move it yet. It's still pretty good size. Got a lot of little stragglers coming off of it. I'm gonna try to move that whole piece at once. Take it back. This piece over here is cut off from that one, so it's actually two big pieces. So I'm gonna see if I can get that out of there. If I can get that out of there a decent time today, I'm gonna go over there. I don't know if that's too far away or not. Try to grab a couple of those. So I was wanting to come back here yesterday. That wind got so strong, but didn't really care being back here in that kind of wind. So let me see if I can get these out of here and might get the log pile. Ah! Okay, that's how steep that is, and that hurt. Man, I'm gonna have a heck of a bruise. Yeah, that's pretty steep. So, all right, I might take a break now. Okay, I'm gonna see what happens here. See if I can pull a piece out of there. I did put that strap on there, and it's got a pretty big limb on it, but where I'm sitting. But I'm hoping that thing will roll just a little bit and jump around that corner. But that one there is gonna be tough to roll because steep as this hill is and where my tractor's sitting and how everything lays. So I might have to chop a piece of that off and jump around that log. But we'll see what happens here. But alright, I think you guys fell over on the tractor before I took off, but I moved a little bit. It rode on me, but it's just wanting to spin on me. So I'm gonna chop a couple of wings of that off. We'll go down and see what's catching on. Alright, let's see what that'll do. Okay, I already set that tractor in a different spot here. We'll see if that's a little bit better. Getting off that hill a little more. We got two 30-foot long straps and a 14 hooked together here. Actually, I shorted that strap down to 30 feet. Now I got a 30 and a 14 on, but I'm digging into the ground pretty bad, so I'm gonna trim it up and be ready to come out of it. Actually, it looks like I'm tied into that root, to that stump. I just put the camera on. Bend the brand new bar on it. Actually, I probably just need to go get a wedge. Probably a bad idea. Yeah, I'll be right back. I can't see. Tell you what, some people pay for the gym. Probably come over here. Yeah, that was a lot better than trying to pull a tractor. I couldn't see if they don't bend the bar or not. So that worked out pretty good. Alright, I'm gonna clean a little bit of this up and see if I can get that other one. see you guys got a good view or not. But I'm gonna trim this thing up real quick. Okay, when I was shooting this video, I didn't realize, after I shut the camera off, that when I was cutting them logs and trying to get them up out of there, I didn't realize my tractor was actually stuck where it was setting. So I kept walking back down the hill and cutting that log shorter and shorter, not knowing that my tractor was already stuck. I don't know what I was thinking, but that was a pretty good hill incline that I was on. But yeah, I cut that log down to nothing and I was still stuck, so that was kind of crazy. I didn't realize that my tractor was stuck where it was setting, and that's why I couldn't pull the logs up.